Quarter-dollar coin value. Guys, welcome back. Today, we're going to talking about the 1959 Hawaii quarter and unveil its true worth. Join me as we delve into the history, rarity, and current market value of this fascinating coin. The 1959 Hawaii quarter holds a special place in American coinage history. It was the first and only commemorative quarter ever minted for a U.S. state. But what's the story behind it? In the late 1950s, Hawaii was on the cusp of becoming the 50th state of the United States. To mark this significant event, the U.S. Mint decided to issue a special coin, celebrating the island's unique beauty and rich heritage. The obverse of the coin features a proud King Kamehameha I, the legendary Hawaiian monarch who united the islands. On the reverse, we have a mesmerizing depiction of the Hawaiian Islands, with a hibiscus flower representing the spirit of the islands. With only 8,006,869 of these quarters minted, it's considered relatively scarce compared to regular quarters of that era. Additionally, many of these coins have likely been lost or worn out over time, making them even harder to find today. A well-preserved 1959 Hawaii quarter in uncirculated condition can fetch a higher premium. Grading services, like PCGs and NGC, can help determine its grade on a scale from poor mint state Ms. 70. The value of this coin can vary depending on its condition and demand in the market. As of our latest research, a circulated 1959 Hawaii quarter may fetch around $8,000 to $15,000, while an uncirculated one in mint condition could go for $20,000 or more. And there you have it, the fascinating tale of the 1959 Hawaii quarter and its current worth. Remember, coin collecting is not just about monetary value. It's about cherishing history and the beauty of these small metal treasures.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting coin-related content. Thanks for joining me.